Koina no e tēnei wā tonu e huri e whakaro I tēnei wā e kaupapa hira tēnei I tēnei wā tonu nā te mea I tēnei te wā e whiu te mana ki e rua o mātou nei tau o tēnei tō tātou nei rōpuru te tauaki puawai. Hoina no I tēnei wā tonu e kore otia māmihi no mātou te rōpū nei ki te tokorua nei e hakamahia ai wēnei mahi o a tātou nei mātou kore tēnei wātara. Me huri au ki te reo pīkete mō ngā tangata e kāre e mohi o tō tātou nei reo rangatira. At this time what we're going to do is that we're going to acknowledge two very important people and two very important cogs in the machine of the Tauaki Puawai. And so at this time we'd like to take our time to mihi to two great people. Firstly, as a gentleman, we'll acknowledge the Tāwahine, and so we would like to take this time to mihi kawana ki tō tātou nei whanaunga ki a koe e whae Erika, mō tō mahi e hakanapi I a tātou I tēnei wātonu. Nā reira, e te whānau, me huri te whakaro ki aia. Let us give a huge, massive paki to our whanaunga, our hoa, our whaia, because you've been here for so long, too far, you would probably be our kaini and our e tupuna ki. Nā reire, tēnei wātonu, o mai te paki ki a koe e te whaia. Nau mai. Nā reira, I tēnei wātonu me huria te whakaaro ki tētahi o te taha tāne nei, te ira tangata, kia mihi kauana ki tēnei mea, te mea. Tēnei wātonu me huria ki tētahi o ngā pau hātikihi nei, ki aia, to His Honour, His Majesty, His Holiness, whatever you want to call it now. Tēnei wātonu to this Māori whara, ki a koe Maiki Pana. Nā reira, I tēnei wātonu me huria te wā, kia kourotai. Kore tātou e tai atu ki wena o ngā notes or going a bit flat. However, there's a reason, because if you notice, all the women were crying. And to stick to their lead note and harden up. Nā reira, ko te puno te roimata wena ngā kore, tātou nei tupuna. The well of tears, nā reira, painu ki te rai ngā wahine, nā reira, ki te ana ngā tangi hana o tēnei ki tātou nei whānau. Nā reira, tēnei wā me huria. Tēnā koutou.
it's emotional because it's absolutely moving. We're not leaving anyway. What's emotional about it is that every year we've come together and we've brought our mana, our own personal mana, into this food. And every year I've seen that bind together into something strong. And it's just a thing of beauty. And you can't help but be a part of this forever. So for those of you that have shared this with, that have been bound into our hearts and accepted us, and we've accepted you as a family, I just want to say thank you so much. For those new ones here, there's others that have gone before. I just want to say thank you for giving of yourselves, and you know as much as I do how beautiful this is, how much it actually builds you up personally. I want to pay respects to those that have gone before us, to Ray, to all those that have given us so much to make us beautiful in front of others. I just want to say that for every other Lord that comes in today, that they have that same one look, and that they're representing each other as a family, but also representing Māori, so that we stay strong, that the fires never go out. The thing about me being there, it's a little side thing really. Because I don't bring that, I pack that on that chair over there. And I'm just one of you, I'm part of your family, you're part of my family. And I just want to say also, for this one here, I said that we can feel well. Erica is a good one. She feels like we all give, but Erica is a special type of giver. Because there's a little bit of glue that needs to be had to help each other, you know. And I put my hand out at times and to Dennis as well. That bit of glue is getting there all the way. You know, just want to put it out to those of you who want to step up for next year. And we'll always need that glue to bind us all together. You feel like you want to be some glue. But you're all beautiful. And you look pretty awesome as well. So it's good that you're easy on the eye for the telephone. I don't even want to smash it today. I think it's beautiful. So I'll tell you to Ngāti Toa, thank you very much for having us. And now that I'm finally in there anyway, I can almost say welcome to my own family as well. So, everybody, just enjoy the rest of the day.